We'll now be demonstrating the use of Hydra Aid hot and cold beverage thickener. Two of the biggest advantages of Hydra Aid are that it will not change the taste or the color of the beverage. Therefore, residents and patients are much more willing to accept beverages thickened with Hydra Aid. This acceptance has been proven in nursing home studies, and it will greatly help your efforts to maintain good patient hydration. Hydra Aid is available in both packet and bulk form. We'll begin by adding Hydra Aid to a glass of orange juice. To thicken 4 ounces of beverage, in this case orange juice, we'll pump from this bottle of Hydra Aid. First, we consult the label on the back of the bottle to see how many pump plunges we will need to attain the required thickness, nectar-like or honey-like. In this case, we've chosen a nectar-like thickness. This requires 2 plunges of the 7-gram pump. Now we'll use a fork to mix the Hydra Aid thickener into the orange juice. Use a brisk action for at least 30 seconds. If available, a whisk may also be used. But please do not use a spoon, as its bulk shape will not provide the proper mixing action needed for proper mixing of the thickener into the beverage. If a closed container is used, pump the Hydra Aid into the container, secure the lid, and shake vigorously for 15 to 30 seconds. As you have seen, mixing Hydra Aid thickener into small quantities of beverages is quick and easy, even at the bedside. Of course, packets can also be used to do this when necessary. In the next segment, we will demonstrate the thickening of larger amounts of beverages. Welcome to this segment on the use of Hydra Aid, the hot and cold beverage thickener featuring the use of the 64-ounce bottle and 7-gram pump for producing larger quantities of thickened liquids. We'll begin by pouring this quart of apple juice into a mixing bowl. Next, we simply pump into the bowl the amount of Hydra Aid needed to make the mixture into a nectar-like thickness. We determine the number of pump plunges needed by referring to the chart here on the back of the bottle. In this case, we need to make 16 plunges to achieve a nectar-like consistency in a quart of apple juice, or any other liquid you may be preparing. Now we'll use a standard large whisk and briskly stir for about 3 minutes. If preferred, an electric mixer can be used instead of a whisk. Before serving, always let the mixture rest for at least 2 minutes to ensure the thickness has properly set after mixing. Comparative taste tests in nursing homes demonstrated that resident response was highly positive to hot or cold beverages thickened with Hydra Aid. This is because the taste and appearance of coffee, hot chocolate, soups, juices, colas, and other hot and cold liquids are not significantly altered by the addition of Hydra Aid. When mixing Hydra Aid with hot liquids, care should be taken to keep the temperature of the beverage at no higher than 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Which is the temperature recommended by many experts and facilities to help prevent serious burns. When it is necessary to add Hydra Aid to beverages or soups processed at temperatures above 120 degrees, they should be allowed to cool to 120 degrees or lower and the mixture stirred again. Then the mixture should rest until it reaches a safe temperature before serving. This will also ensure proper mixture and reconstitution of the desired level of thickness. Pureed foods can also be prepared with Hydra Aid, and Lynx Medical will be pleased to supply you with a book of tasty recipes specially developed by a consulting dietitian with experience working with dysphagic patients. The book is supplied at no charge to any care facility requesting it. Also, to help you use Hydra Aid, the company has available at nominal charge a non-breakable 12-ounce mixing container and 2 sizes of pumps, the 7-gram size you saw demonstrated here, and a larger 1-ounce, approximately 28-gram, bulk pump. Standard and electric whisks can be easily obtained at a number of stores across the U.S. Thank you for your attention.